What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Before we jump into the track video, I wanted to give you some context. Two things. I was not going to run and I was not going to record. I wanted to go enjoy the show and everything, see the cars race, get some food and go back home. But I had a friend called Xavier or Xavier, and he hasn't raced a car on the track for like over 20 years. And he has a manual Mustang GT Generation 2 Coyote, and he wanted to get it on the track. So he borrowed a helmet, and since he was going to do that, I wanted to record it. You know, I wanted to log it, make a video vlog for him so he could go back and see how he was running. And then as he goes back, if he goes back, he's going to go back because he's hooked, and he progresses, he can see the difference. Also, I wasn't going to run, but I had talked to Ricky. I'm going to put his Instagram. Ricky always takes badass pictures. He said he was going to be there, so I went prepared just in case. And when I saw he was in there, I had already texted, so I jumped. I made a pass just for pictures and to kind of see how I went from A to B, because I was still tuning. I did some changes to the little car, and I wanted to see, you know, kind of how I went, but mostly I wanted to see the pictures. And then of course the Barrico Beamers guys was there. I recorded another Camaro, a Supra, a C8 twin turbo. I don't know, we'll see. Let's just jump right into the video and we'll talk after, okay? Jairo en el M5 y la Z06. First run of the day. Let's go. Z06 versus M5.
Staging lanes with the hood up. You need to get your car forward, sir.
Oh, he passed the staging lines. We got a Mustang with a 360 cam. We got Hyman in the M2. Here we go. He just got the transmission tuned in. I've not been here. GTR, here we go. Turbo skis. Twin turbo, here we go. Oh, I got a car in my ear, this is gonna suck.
Leave on a Corvette C8 on the Summit Racing side of the track.
check out this Supra. Supra's on welds.
Check it out. at 117. 11.4 at 117 in this heat. I did a 0.5 my light. So I cut off a bad light because my car started to move. I have a brake service light on, so I don't know what's going on with that. I gotta look into it. Like, I have no brakes right now, so I gotta go super slow and see what's going on. So let's check the car and see what's going on with the brakes. But 11.4 at 117 in the heat. I'll take it. Found the culprit right here. Look, came off. What the hell? Yep.
Over here on the tower side, taking on.
Here we go, Javi, doing the burnout like a pro. Father and daughter deal right here. He has a 1LE, like cams and stuff, manual. The daughter here.
Late model Mustang versus late model Camaro, classic Chevrolet Ford.
All right, here we go. We got Luis in the M3. Jaime and the M2C. They both ran. He just ran at 11.8, 11.08, 11.08, and 11.01. So this is for bragging rights right here. Bragging rights right here. Let's see. I told him nobody stage 2 lights. Everybody stage 1 light and then move forward. So let's see how this is gonna go. Who you got? M3 or M2? M3 or M2?
Mind Pro Cement t-shirts are available at the tent at the entrance to the staging lanes. So So if you're back there in the pit or you're walking around, as you're heading toward the back of the stage lane, you'll see your latest.
I'm gonna take the middle lane so we can see both. We can see both.
$20.
Right here, back here.
You want
Here we
to
go.
t-shirt, get them off supplies.
Let's see, let's see. What you got? M3 on the left, M2 on the right. What do you have? They both went 11-0. Oh no! First time here. This is his third run. Let's see. Manual park. He's been driving it pretty good. Pretty good. Alright, so there you have it. My friend Xavier, he's hooked. He went 3 times. Yeah, he went 3 times. The first time he kind of, it stuck. He bogged, but then he got out of there. The second time he spun, he stayed on it. He let off a little bit, he went. And then the third time, he said a wheel hop, so he let off. So the car, his best was, I think, a 13.5. But like, he just got to work on that launch, you know. He's got NT 555, like G2. So that's not the best tire, but he just got to work a little bit on that. But after that, he did pretty good shifting all the way through. If you see the Boricua Beamers guy, Luis with the M3, he ran 11.08, and Jaime with the M2C, he went 11.01. So after they did those good runs, they went together, they got that race. Luis was sleeping on the light, Jaime got him, so Jaime's ahead right now. So they got to go back and run it back at some point. And then let me see who else. I made a pass, the Camaro made a pass, 11.4. So with the mods I got, I'm about to go in the dyno, see what number it gives me, but I already seen, last time I went to the track full weight, it ran 11.7. I don't remember the mileage, but this time it was 11.4, and the track speed was still at 117, I believe. So I don't know if the timer was right or not, because it said I had a 1.4 60 foot. But the car went and it felt good. I got the good to go from Ryan Stevens at Quality Performance to dyno the car. So after this, I'm going to the dyno. Let's see what the car does. But that was pretty much it. You know, I wasn't gonna record or anything. I ended up running. I'm gonna show you some pictures. They're badass. Ricky always takes badass pictures. And then it was a fun day. I went from 8 till about 11. I didn't stay for the road racing because it was super hot. And I wanted to get some food. I was hungry, wanted to get back to the family. But overall, saw a lot of good dick racing. It was very fluent. They got everything going pretty fast. You know, this was the second time they did it. So it looks like they figured it out, because they had the cars running. They had all 6 lanes open. So 2, 2, and 2. And then after a little bit, they stopped, they cleaned, they put some more sticky stuff, and they kept going. So thumbs up to Orlando Speed World for setting it up. That's awesome. Hopefully they'll do it every month. And I'll be going, because it's fun. You know, it was pretty fluent, pretty going. Also, off of that, there's some plans to go into a private testing day. It's going to be later in October, but there's going to be some fun cars. I think my car's going to be the slowest, but I'll prep it. I'll do some weight reduction and stuff, see if I can have some fun too with some low 11-second cars or high 10 seconds. You know, hopefully they'll react pretty bad, and we'll go to town and see what happens. But you know what to do. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to see what's coming up next. We got that track video coming up next. I have the dyno video coming up next, and then we always find stuff to do and have some fun. So let us know in the comments what you think, and see you guys later. Peace.